Hi, my name is Madeline, and I'm here to help you change the batteries in your Vivint combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Please note that there are older models of this device, so if you need information on your specific model, click the link in the description below. Also, keep in mind this device requires 2 CR123A batteries. Make sure you have the correct batteries on hand. First things first, disarm your Vivint system. Then turn the device counterclockwise to remove it from the ceiling. Remove the old batteries using a butter knife or flathead screwdriver. Wait 30 seconds, then insert the new batteries into the compartment. Finally, reattach the detector by turning it clockwise until the notches line up. If you've lined them up correctly, the green LED light should blink once every 12 seconds. And that's it! Your combination smoke CO detector is now ready to go. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to visit support.vivint.com for additional support or to chat with one of our experts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us on social media to stay up to date on all the latest features and products from Vivint. See you soon!